ready to supercharge your brain and stay mentally sharp. Forget the usual stuff like deep breathing and meditation. Today, we're diving into unique brain exercises that are fun, interactive, and perfect for your free time. Now, you might be thinking, my mind's already sharp, but let's really put that to the test and take your focus and brain power to the next level. Exercise 1, the Schulte Table Challenge. This one's all about activating your brain's focus and processing speed. You'll see a 5x5 grid with numbers from 1 to 25 placed randomly. Your task, find all the numbers in order from 1 to 25 in just 30 seconds. Start from the center and work your way out. Ready? Go. Did you get them all in time? No worries if you missed a few. Regular practice will boost your speed, focus, and peripheral vision. You can find more Schulte Table games online or on brain training apps. Exercise 2, multicolor word test, Stroop effect. Here's a tricky one. You'll see color names written in different colors. Your job, say the color of the word, not the word itself. For example, if red is written in green, say green. Let's try it. It's harder than it looks, right? This exercise strengthens focus, cognitive flexibility, and attention control. Exercise 3, Blindfolded Tasks. Time to take away your vision and rely on your memory. Try writing your name, drawing simple shapes, or typing a message with your eyes closed. Challenge: type your name in the comments right now with your eyes closed. These tasks build spatial awareness and muscle memory, keeping your brain sharp and alert. Exercise 4, Hand Coordination Drill. This is all about syncing both sides of your brain. Make a peace sign with your right hand and an OK sign with your left. Now switch, left hand, peace sign, right hand, OK. Do this 5 times in 10 seconds. Let's go. This sharpens the mind-body connection and improves coordination. Exercise 5. Use your non-dominant hand. One of the easiest ways to train your brain every day. Brush your teeth, eat, or even write using your non-dominant hand. Try giving this video a like using that hand right now. This helps form new neural pathways, boosting mental flexibility and motor skills. Exercise 6. Brain games that actually work. Not all video games are bad. Some can boost your decision-making, memory, and logic. Try games like Sudoku, chess, word scrambles, or logic puzzles. Websites like Lumosity or apps like Peak offer free, fun options. Ditch the mindless scrolling and give your brain something meaningful to chew on. Exercise 7. Cut back on tech dependence. Let's be real, technology is great, but over-relying on it can make your brain lazy. Challenge yourself. Memorize your to-do list. Do simple math in your head. Remember contact numbers without looking them up. Build your brain's natural memory and problem-solving muscle. Ready to train your brain daily? If you found these brain exercises helpful, give this video a thumbs up with your non-dominant hand. Subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which exercise you nailed or struggled with. Let's grow sharper together.